Okay, so in this video, we are asked to show that 2 over 1 over root 3 plus 1 can be written as 3 minus root 3. Again, it's a 3-mark question. So we got a fraction within a fraction. We got what we call, a nested fraction. So step 1, I want to get rid of this root 3 here. So I'm going to multiply everything, top and bottom, all my terms, by root 3. So on the top, what do I get? Well, I'm going to get 2 times root 3. So that'll be 2 root 3 on the top. On the bottom, what am I going to get? Well, I'm going to have 1 over root 3 times root 3. That's going to be 1. Then 1 times root 3, that's going to be plus root 3. I'm now going to multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 1 minus root 3 over 1 minus root 3. Okay, on the top, what do I get? Well, I get 2 root 3 times 1. That'll be 2 root 3. And then 2 root 3 times minus root 3. Numbers go with numbers, surds go with surds. So that'll be minus 2 root 9, which is 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, because root 9 is equal to 3, guys. Okay, and if it's minus root 9, then it becomes minus 3, because of this minus at the front. We have 2 times minus 3 makes minus 6. On the bottom, all we do is we do this times this. 1 times 1 minus the number inside the surd. So 1 times 1 is 1 minus 3. Okay. And on the bottom, we're going to have 2 root 3 minus 6 all over minus 2. So dividing everything by minus 2, okay, we're going to get minus root 3 plus 3, which I can just rewrite it as 3 minus root 3. Okay, and that, guys, is my final answer as required or as shown. Okay, now the reason for this on the bottom here, sorry I didn't go into much detail, is because this is what I call the difference of 2 squares. So if I expand it in full, I would have got 1 minus root 3 plus root 3, so the root 3's here would have obviously cancelled. Okay, hence why I didn't bother multiplying it in full, because I recognized that this multiplied by this, okay, is what I call dots, so difference of 2 squares. Okay, so all you have to do in that scenario, if it is dots and you're expanding it, is multiply the first term by the first term and the second term by the second term, because the middle terms end up cancelling. This is for dots only. Okay, difference of 2 squares, and it will give you your final answer. Okay, so that's just a bit of a quicker method, because the middle terms end up cancelling each other out. Okay, they knock each other out. Okay, giving you 1 minus 3, okay, or 1 minus root 9, which is 1 minus 3, which simplifies to minus 2. Okay, and that, guys, is how we work with a grade 7, grade 8 surds question that appears every single year on higher tier Edexcel and OCR, and sometimes even AQA. Okay, but these are aimed at Edexcel students. So students doing the Pearson Edexcel exam board. Thank you.